first. Ooh, strike, and there you go. What a beautiful play by Litang. Ooh, strike first. There. What a reset. Oh my! Viewers, sumakit ng 19K. And a beautiful early there by Litang. Signature move talaga yun. These duos are known to play open division and have multiple championships. So let's see if they can make it count. Another early there. Cross-court linking. Who will attack first? Ooh, strike, and there you go. What a beautiful play by Litang. 8-3-2. Another early there for Litang. Suddenly they are doing a 2-0 run. What a play by Litang. Served by Page. Return the bird. Who will strike first? There. What a reset. Oh my! What a beautiful and finesse play by Page.